I read about Apollo 11 in 3rd grade, and ever since then I've been in love with the idea of being an astronaut, and Embry-Riddle just seemed like the place that would help me accomplish my goals.
These students come to Embry-Riddle Prescott for a reason. They come here for a good, practical engineering education.
A cutting-edge curriculum, course after course after course, and students attain skill sets that they use forever.
It was very important to me to get right into engineering, and Embry-Riddle is exactly that. Our freshman year, we're able to build robots. We're working hands-on in a lab.
One of the purposes for EDUWORLD was to help students recognize that there's more than just one type of engineering, and we want them to find the type of engineering that excites them the most.
One of the best things about Embry-Riddle, especially the Prescott campus, is that it's an undergraduate degree program. There are no graduate students here. So what that does is it opens up all of the labs for the undergraduates to use.
Almost all the courses have a project component and a design component, which is so important for an engineering degree.
As a senior in the College of Engineering, you apply everything you learned in the past 3 years into one course, Aircraft Preliminary Design. It's very technical, it's very hands-on.
I came to Embry-Riddle as an aerospace engineer to design and build an aircraft. Actually getting to do that in the capstone project is an amazing thing.
It's just fulfilling to see something you've dreamed of become a reality. Makes you feel that all that effort was worthwhile.
One of the unique features of the College of Engineering at the Embry-Riddle Prescott campus is the Embry-Riddle Machine Vision Lab. Machine vision is a discipline of engineering that enables machines with the ability to see or perceive the world around them. One area of emphasis in our discipline is video game controls, how to control your computer just with gestures, as opposed to using a mouse and a keyboard.
You talk about a great project for Embry-Riddle. Each one of these cars has been designed very carefully by the students at Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University. This is the real deal. These kids design this thing, they bring it to the track.
It pilots me down the track at 5 Gs on the starting line. It goes 0 to 100 in 1 second.
Look at my hair on my arm, standing straight up right now. That's how rock and roll it is. I'm ready to go back on the track this second.
What's also different and unique about Embry-Riddle is it combines this rigorous engineering program with in the middle of natural wonders. So Prescott is one of the most beautiful places on Earth.
I was able to work as an intern down at NASA Johnson Space Center. So I spent a semester there working, and then I spent a semester here back at school as a student.
And I remember walking into the control center and looking around saying, wow, what an opportunity that I have here. I then had a foot in the door with NASA Johnson Space Center, and I could come in and hire on, which I did. And I'm really proud to be an alum from Embry-Riddle.
We have Boeing and Raytheon and all of the major companies that hire our graduates, and they come to us and say, here is what we need your graduates to have.
Build that relationship with your professors to understand why they're teaching you, what they're teaching you, and you're going to be on a great path for a super career.
Students have to accept the premise that part of their job is to innovate, to create something that doesn't exist anywhere else in the world.